this video, we'll cover how to connect Invoice Tracker with Time Tracker Premium. If you're a Time Tracker Premium user, as an admin, under your Billing tab, you'll have access to Invoice Tracker. And in order to connect to Invoice Tracker, head over to this Invoice Tracker screen, and you'll be brought up to the Invoice Tracker Connect screen. Invoice Tracker is a product that allows you to chase invoices, and it syncs directly with your Time Tracker account as well as QuickBooks and other accounting services. So you'll be able to create email sequences that are personalized and customized, and you can schedule those sequences to be sent out, and you can monitor if those invoices are caught. So all you got to do is click Connect. Select your integration partner. In our case, it'll be Time Tracker. Connect with your username and password from your Time Tracker username and password. Select your firm. Click Authorize. And just like that, you'll be connected to Time Tracker. And you can see here, you have the option to head back to Time Tracker, but for now you're in the Invoice Tracker account. And here all of your invoices will be brought in that are available to collect. You'll be able to create active reminders, and you'll monitor your invoices that are chased. For more information, head over to our Invoice Tracker tour video. But for here, we're just going to cover the connection, which is now complete. So if you want to head back over to Time Tracker, just go right here. You can see your Time Tracker account is connected to Invoice Tracker, and from here, you're good to go.